Let's fix something really quick for breakfast, and we're going to be making some eggs, some bread, and I'm going to be serving that with some hot cocoa. With me here I have my ingredients. So for the bread, I'm just going to be having some margarine on it, and the eggs I'll go with some onions, some tomatoes, some cooking oil, and some salt. And if at all you want a similar recipe where you can have that with some ugali, you can check out the video that I'm going to link at the end of this, and I'm sure you're going to love it. And without further ado, let's get started. Wow. And this is how I love it. Mm. Mm. This is such a simple recipe, and I'm pretty sure you're going to love it once you try it out. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.